Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's make this super glowy cocoa body butter for dark skin, chocolatey skin, caramel skin. Just imagine the glow you can see on this butter. You'll get even more glow on your skin. So come along with me. So for this super glow creamy body butter, I'm going to first have cocoa butter. As its name, whipped cocoa butter is actually made with unrefined cocoa butter. Being the chief ingredient, I weigh out 200 grams of unrefined cocoa butter. For a cocoa butter, I'm going to be adding mango butter to this. Here I am adding 50 grams of mango butter. And for that creamy luxury feel and look, I'm going to be adding stearic acid. So here I have 25 grams of stearic acid. So this is all I have here in my mixing bowl. I'm just going to take this to a double boiler and melt this on low heat. So after melting this, I'll bring it right back, and as you can see, we have no trace of stearic acid in the melted butter. So in here, I'm going to be adding my carrier oils. I'm going to choose 2 carrier oil that glows the skin effortlessly, helps to heal the skin, brightens the skin, and of course moisturizes absolutely. The first one here is apricot kernel oil. Oh, how much I love this carrier oil. The glow it gives, the beauty it radiates, the moisturizing feel, everything. I just love apricot kernel. Then I'm going to be having macadamia oil too. Such a beautiful and wonderful oil containing palmitoleic acid. That's omega-7. Also contains omega-3 and omega-6. It naturally contains vitamin E. It's non-greasy and it's super great for brown skin. So after mixing in my oils into my butter, the melted butter is still hot a bit, so I'm just going to take this into the freezer and freeze for 15 minutes. Depending on the temperature of your freezer will determine how long you should keep it, but then do not allow it to harden. Once it sets like this, it is okay. Make sure it's still very soft, that when you dip in your mixer or your spatula, it goes deep down. If you want to take a break before mixing it, then you can use your refrigerator. So from here, I'm going to bring in my hand mixer, and then I'm going to mix this till it becomes so fluffy and yummy. Please do not use the high shear speed of your mixer. Make sure to mix slowly until you achieve your desired texture and look. As you can see, it has started becoming creamy, and you just have to take it slowly. Ignore that it looks like I'm mixing very fast. That's because this video is on our ×2 speed. That's just to make sure that this video is not too long and boring. So my mixer would be mixing faster than it is in real time. Okay, so after mixing to this point, see that it's yummy, but then it's holding itself all together. I'm gonna add my tocopherol oil, also known as vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant that will help to keep the shelf life of this butter in check. Remember that when making butters, we do not need a preservative, but then an antioxidant is always needed. I'm also adding rose essential oil. And then for my choice of fragrance oil, I use creamy coconut. Guys, you can't imagine the combo of this rose essential oil with this creamy coconut fragrance oil in this body butter. The smell was heaven. It was absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so then I'm just going to continue mixing in my butter. If you're a lover of body butters, then this is an absolutely choice for you, especially when you are aimed at maintaining your skin complexion or for making the dark skin complexion glow effortlessly. A mix of mango butter and cocoa butter makes a very good choice when treating chapped skin, super dry skin, very dull looking skin, scaly skin. Cocoa butter also helps to improve blood flow, which is a very good criteria for skin glow. It also helps in anti-aging. It helps to protect the skin from the sun rays. Cocoa butter helps in wound healing, and it helps a lot in stretch marks. Yes, consistent use of cocoa butter like this will actually help to feed your stretch marks. If you're also healing from a damaged skin, then this butter is absolutely good for you. This body butter is also very good for children, and is also very beautiful for your hair. Now you can see how super this body butter is. So if you're contemplating making this, I think you should try it. And if you do that, please let me know in the comment section. Also ensure not to whip too much so that you don't have air spaces in your body butter. Once you get your creamy fluffy texture, then you're okay and your butter is good to go. So now I do not want a plain looking body butter. I just want to bless it with a little touch of color, and here I chose lilac mica pigment. I didn't really want a sharp color or something, but I just wanted something really cozy that would make it look really luxury. So I had this mixed all up till I got the tone that I wanted for this body butter. So let me take this minute to welcome y'all to my channel, old and new subbies. If this is your first time on this channel watching my videos, you're welcome to Primeside. Here on this channel, I teach how to make safe and effective natural product for skincare, hair care, beauty, and health in general. I'd greatly appreciate if you support me by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, sharing to your friends, and also leaving a comment in the comment section. Returning subscribers, I love you so much, and every one of you means a lot to me. Please also don't forget that you can shop your raw cosmetic materials from us. Whatever ingredients you need to be making your own product like this, you can easily get it from us, and you can see the link right there in the description box. If you also have a hard time making your own skincare product and you want to learn more, I have lots of ebook guides that can put you through from a beginner even down to a pro formulator. They are all available in my website, and you can find the link to my website in the description box. Thank you so much for your time, and so let's go back to our body butter. Now see how beautiful and lush this body butter looks, and the color makes it a lot luxury. The fact that this butter melts into the skin like a lotion, leaving a radiant glow, makes it a lot exciting. So I'm gonna have my sanitized jars, and then I'm gonna transfer my body butters into my jars. Remember to store your body butters in a cool place. Make sure you don't leave it in a very hot or sunny place so that it doesn't melt and also does not lose its shelf life. This body butter is safe to use entirely on the body. It's also okay to be used on the face if you have a very dry skin. It's so okay to be used on the hair, and it's very okay for kids as well. So thank you for coming this far on this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking this video. I really appreciate you. I definitely would want to see you next time, but until then, take care.